What's the meaning of conductive? Conductive. Conductive.
Conductive. Conductive. The word conductive refers to the ability of materials to transmit electricity, heat, or sound. When a material is said to be conductive, it means that it allows for the flow of electric current, heat or sound to move through it easily. This property is important in numerous applications such as wiring, electronic devices, and heat transfer systems. Conductivity is typically measured by a unit called the conductivity or conductance, which indicates how easily a substance can transmit a particular property. Ultimately, conductive materials play a crucial role in various fields of science, engineering, and technology.